Hello my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for everyplate. Now if you're not familiar, everyplate is a meal subscription service. So they have meals they put together for you. You can either go ahead and go with what they've chosen for you for that week, or you can go ahead and select your own meals. And you can change the meals altogether. You can change proteins if you like. You can add extra meals. You can buy extra things if you like. Now it usually runs around $5 per serving, which is less than a lot of the other delivery services out there. And some of the meals run a little bit below $5 per serving and some are a little bit higher. Now we choose 4 meals per week. This box is 4 meals per week, but we've just changed it to 5 meals per week. That's how satisfied we are with their service. So inside, this is what it looks like when you open it up. It is in like an insulated bag. That's what this is. Now it looks like I've got 3 free boxes. So if you're interested in getting a free box, and that's a $40 value, I believe. $40. If you're interested in one, if you'd like to just check it out, you can cancel anytime. Just let me know in the comments down below and I will send you the code. Okay, so we have that. We have some extra stuff in here. Let's see what this is about. We have Grove. Oh, if you order something, you get a free gift at Grove. Just enter everyplate 22 to get a free gift at Grove. Tailored. What is tailored? Watch your pup's health bloom with vet-approved nutrition. Okay. Okay, so this is for tailoredpet.com. It is better health with personalized dog food. If you're interested in something like that with EP Spring, you can save 80% on your first order. So that was in there. Okay. So here are our cards. It tells you what the meal is, what you need out of the tray, and on the back is how you make it. Most meals take about 30 minutes, some a little bit more, some a little bit less. So this time we've got crispy Caesar chicken, sweet and tangy cherry meatballs, and Boo is very happy about that one. Then we have chicken sausage and roasted tomato linguine. And we also have jammin' fig pork chops. And the last thing we have is pork sausage stuffed peppers. So it looks like it is 5 meals. I switched it to 5 meals. I wasn't sure if I did it for this week or the next week. So when you open it up, you pull out a tray. This tray, I'm going to put that down. Bottom underneath the tray are your proteins. I'm just going to leave them in there. So here is my tray, and they give you everything you need for each one of the recipes. packets of cheese, green beans, pasta, a smashed piece of bread. Ooh, some cherry preserves, another cute little jar. These look like the perfect little shot glass, don't they? And you've got, and some breadcrumbs, carrots, tomato, more cheese. Yeah, I think I set my box on my remote button that kept turning off. So, cream cheese, sour cream, chicken stock, even seasoned packets they send. So that is it for this week. And again, if you would like a free box, just let me know in the comments down below, and I will be happy to send that code for you. And yeah, we are so happy with these foods. I mean, they're easy to prepare. They take around 30 minutes. They're tasty. It gives us different meal ideas. So we are very happy with the service. Yes, we are very happy with the service. I recommend it to everyone. Try out that free box. Again, you can cancel anytime. I am not affiliated. This is not sponsored. Nothing like that. This is just my opinion. And on that note, I do hope you have a great day. I appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon.